So today, what we are going to talk about is self-acceptance. Yourself accepting yourself and yourself loving yourself. Self-love and self-acceptance. Okay, so every day we should always practice self-acceptance. I will say this again. Every day I have to practice self-acceptance. That I wouldn't be able to accept other people if I don't accept myself first, what I lack and what my strengths are. So, how do we practice self acceptance? Number one on my list, and I hope it would be number one on your list too, is that embrace what makes you think that you are unique. A good place to start is to think of things that make you special. Appreciate your uniqueness and your difference, and ask yourself how these differences may benefit you in the future, and the others as well, how it benefit other people. So unique in a good way, okay? Unique not in a bad way. Unique in being kind, being honest, being respectful, not the bad kind of unique. Number two is very important. Let go of the things you can't change. We can't get stuck on things that we can't change anymore. So let's say, for example, myself, I'm not really good at dancing. I have two left foot. So I'm not really good at dancing, but I have accepted that already. But we can always try. There's nothing wrong with trying. As long as we try, we practice, I don't think anyone will find fault of that. It's more of like enjoying ourselves and accepting that, hey, yeah, I can't really dance, but I can try. But we need to accept that we can't just hurt ourselves and hate ourselves for not being able to dance, because I may not be able to know how to dance, but I sure can write a good essay, or I'm good at spelling, I'm good at singing. So there are other things that you might be good at. So that is connected to number three, which is identifying your strengths. So yeah, I may lack something, but there are other areas that I'm good at, like Muhammad. He's really good at playing soccer. So we focus on things that we love and things that we are good at rather than focusing on things that we don't like and we're not good at. Let's not waste our energy and our time hating ourselves for things that we are not good at. Okay, can we move on to the next slide, Mr. Yaya? So number four is celebrating your accomplishments. So when times get hard and we feel like we're not good enough, why not try to write down all the accomplishments you've had so far? And that includes the things that you are good at. Remind yourself of those accomplishments. Number five, and very important, think positively. No one can do that for you but yourself. It starts from ourselves. And lastly, very, very important, always remind yourself to be kind to yourself. Don't hate yourself for things that you can't do or for making mistakes. It's okay, self. You can pat yourself at the back. It's okay, self. If we didn't get a perfect score on the spelling test today, it's fine. We can always try our best next time. It shouldn't ruin my weekend because I didn't had a perfect score in spelling today, or I mispronounced the word in class. Instead of hating ourselves for that, why not try to be kind to yourself instead and tell yourself it's okay. We're going to make it the next time. We're going to do our best next time. Okie dokie. So I think that ends our topic for today about self acceptance. Thank
All
you
right.
for listening, everyone.